So, good day everyone. We are the Grow 5. So, today we're going to discuss the topic about the role of the social media platforms in customer service delivery. So, let's start. So, first is why social media is crucial for customer service. So, there's three main reason why social media is important in a customer service. First is fast communication. So customers now can get quick response instead of waiting on a hold or hold for hours. Next is 24/7 availability. So unlike in the traditional customer service, social media is allow a business to respond anytime. Next is the public engagement. So when a business answer inquiries publicly, is it build trust and show transparency to their customers.
Top social media platforms for customer service. So the top social media platforms have a different social media platforms serve different purposes in customer service. So we have most commonly used platforms. The first one is the Facebook. Facebook businesses use messengers, comments, and reviews to interact with customers. Twitter. Twitter is often used for quick updates, announcement, and resolving customers' complaints. The third one is the Instagram. The Instagram is brand answer customers' queries through direct messages and engage with them through posts. WhatsApp provides deep directs and personalized customer support. So these platforms allow businesses to stay connected with their customers and provide faster, more efficient service.
So now let's move to the benefits of using social media for customer service. So here are the benefits of using social media for the customer service. So first is the faster response time. So when a business use social media for their customer service, they can address customer concerns quickly. Next is higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. So since customers are more likely appreciate a quick and a helpful response. Next is the cost effective. So since using a social media is much cheaper than running a call center. Next is public problem solving. So when business resolve issues oftenly, it strengthens their reputation.
Challenges in social media customer service. So the first challenges we have is the negative feedback is public. So the negative feedback is public. It's have complaints and bad reviews are visible to everyone. The second one is high message volume. Some businesses receive hundreds of messages daily. So making hard to respond quickly. So need for fast and personalized responses. So customers expect immediately replies, but businesses must also ensure the responses are personal and not just automated. So handling these challenges properly is key to successful social media customer service.
So the next is the best practice for effective social media customer service. So to overcome these challenges, business should follow the best practice for social media customer service. So first is response quickly. So since the customers are expect fast replies, so a business should not keep them waiting. So next is be professional and empathetic. So customer service should always be respectful and understanding. Next is use chatbots for frequently asked questions. So automating simple inquiries can save times for a business. Next is monitor and address mentions. Business must actively check what customers are saying about them, and they should respond when it is necessary.